Hello guys and welcome back to my channel Bad Boy. As you guys can see, when we are again, we are starting with my new survival series episode 2. And as you guys know, last episode we left off by chopping down some trees. So here we are again chopping down some trees. So last video got like 2 or 3 likes, so that's pretty good. So that's why now I am just going to make episode 2. This is episode 2 and it's great. So now let's continue chopping. Now I have a lot of oak logs already. I'm not going to fast forward this and all at all, but we should get a bed because we don't have a bed. We completely. I think we killed some sheep last episode, and then we got some wool to make a bed. So that's pretty good. But so I'll put my respawn point set already. First, I have to keep my crafting table here, right in the corner always. Then I'm going to press the crafting table, and then a bed. Oh wait, oh yeah, I don't have any plants. So it will take time to make plants. It should be a stack. It should be maybe 2 stacks. Yeah, 2 stacks of wood. That's more than enough. A bed. Okay, wait. Okay, a bed on the pork chop, and right next to the crafting table, bad spot, but it's okay. So this it's cool. Okay, this is the first time sleeping. Okay, respawn point set. Now, what I want to do now is continue working on our house. What I just got to know is I got some more experience in building a house. So now let's get a 45 stacks of wood. Okay, now let's continue. Now okay, wait. Okay, I messed up. Okay, this is much better. Now crouch. I need some food too, but I'll get that later on. Okay, this goes a little bit in the other part of the cave, but okay, we're just gonna take a turn over here. Oh, hello, sheep piggy. You have to move, piggy. Don't worry, I'll move you from this world. How do I miss every shot of mine? Not shot, but like hit of mine. Let's go up again, and now let's build my house. I might oh my god, oh my god, I'm so bad at building. I might make a subscriber wall or something like that, but I don't think so. I'll actually make a subscriber wall from all the other videos I've uploaded. I don't think I'm gonna make a subscriber wall. Okay, wait. Oh, we are aligned. We are aligned at the place of at the area of the thingy, the cobblestone. So we have to put another cobblestone pillar here. And now the last part, just connecting all of this. My house is gonna look beautiful, and I'm so bad at building. I'm actually a very bad builder. If you guys didn't know, I think everybody everybody knows in this world who watch my videos. Everybody knows I'm a bad builder. Let's just clean all these bits around here that I didn't clean up before, like these kind of bits. Okay, nice, cool. So now should I make a double door or single door? I'm just gonna make a double door. Let's keep it a double door for now. Now we need some more food, so we'll keep a food. We have so much food to smelt actually. You know what? Let's do some smelting work. What? Okay, let's do some smelting work before we do the building work. So because we have to build a roof too. So now I think I'll put mutton over here and then put some more wood. Okay, nice. Add 26 more wood. A stack and 26 of wood. So let's just build a roof. We need torches too. I completely forgot. But we have 2 torches, I think, or 2 or 3 torches. I just found 1 piece of coal by mining with that small shack at episode 1, and our wood is finished. Yeah. So at episode 1, while I was mining, when I cut the recording, I realized I got only like one piece of coal, which is that means the seed is kind of bad. It's not such of a good seed in which we spawned in, so that they were going to have some resources issues, some issues in resources. So we might lack resources at the end of at the end of episodes. Like at the end of this episode, we might definitely lack iron or something. So that's not good, and we've run out of wood again. Let's see how the furnace is smelting. Cool. So almost halfway done. I definitely should think of building a smoker. How to build a smoker? Okay. Okay, yeah. We need a stripped birch log and a furnace. I can build that. I can make that. It's not that hard at all. Come here, see. Come here. Come here. Nice. Okay, it's not that hard at all to build a smoker. Oh, my house is big and it's going to take quite a while. We'll just say it's going to take quite a while to finish. So that's something. Okay, let's continue chopping down. Chop this. Half the videos just I'm promise half, and I'm not promising, but I'm pretty sure half this. Did I get all the logs? See, there's one down there. Half this video I'm pretty sure is going to be chopping, because I need a lot of wood, and when I mean a lot means a lot. So we're gonna need a lot of wood. That finished. I think this is, like, I'm not that of a bitch builder, but I think it's going to be like one of those big survival worlds, like how they are. You know, some like big survival world, like how the Dream SMP is huge. There's so many buildings, so many people there too, like so many members. So that's like how I think we're going to go for. I'm not that good with building anyways, so we might just build statues or something like that, or like, you know, our own village. Where in the future, if I found a village, because you know, in one of these episodes I might go village hunting. It's kind of boring. If you think about it, it's very boring because you have to run around in a random location to find a village. Because villages can be anywhere, and there are a lot of types of villages. Swamp villages. I think like swamp villages, then dark oak, like spruce villages, tiger biome. In a tiger biome, there are villages. So like that kind of. There are a lot of villages in every direction, and so that's the thing. That's the hard thing, that we choose a random spot to go. If we continuously going with this, we might find a village, but we don't know where to go. So, but all that aside, we've got almost 30, 3, 2, 1. Okay, 30 logs. So that means I'd have a lot of wood. I'm not that good at math, but I'm pretty sure we'll get a lot of um, thingies. So what I want to do is I want 4 stripped logs to make a thingy smoker. So we just take 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. It didn't say which kind of stripped oak log, stripped spruce log. It didn't say that. So I think we might be good. And now the first thing I'm going to do is make a smoker and then make another furnace to smelt all the ore and stuff. Okay, we're making sure our respawn point set whatever. Just forget it. We definitely torches already, so let's put some torches here. Nice. We will definitely go mining. We have to make a mine like somewhere over here. So okay. So now we have to. Oh yeah. First we're going to craft a smoker. Because I don't want to accidentally make wood like planks with my strip log, but smoker. There, done for there. Now Minecraft is done for because we got a smoker. I'm pretty sure you cannot take wood You can take wood. You can take wood for smelting it on a smoker. Okay, so now let's make planks quickly, and then let's finish the roof because the roof is our main priority as well as a door and walls. Okay, we didn't get that many oak logs. A stack is good. It's quite good. A stack of spruce planks is quite good. I might do a Q&A. Yeah, I might do a Q&A. Okay, it's dark. It's dark. We have to go mining straight away because in this spot there might be a creeper and he just may explode a house. So we're just gonna go in this cave. Let's see if we can. Oh, ouch! Let's see if we can find some coal right off the bat because I don't have any torches, so that's not gonna help. Hopefully, please, I need some coal. Iron, that's pretty good. I obviously need iron. So iron is pretty good, but I need coal. I'm lacking coal, and I also need 2 iron. I can't see anything, but I just oh no. What is this? What is this? What is this? Okay, so guys, I found how much coal? Wait, how much coal was that? 30 coal. I found 30 coal. And but there were too many zombies over there, so I have to go to sleep. There were too many zombies over there, so I didn't even make the time to make doors. So yeah, I'm gonna make doors right now. I found a lot of coal over there, which is great. Door, nice. Okay, our food is done, so I'll grab the food in a minute. Okay, stupid zombies. Okay. I still remember the zombie that we saw. Guys, remember the zombies I saw at the start of the first episode. I saw a zombie in the island while I was crafting a crafting table. I saw a baby zombie riding a zombie. Pretty cool, right? Yeah, not for me because that was scary somehow. I'm gonna build a mine right over here. And I just realized I'm eating raw food, but it's okay. I'm gonna build a mine right over here. 2 blocks. I should have made a shovel too, if you think about it now. Oh. Let's not do that. Okay, let's leave it like that. Okay, nobody saw that. Absolutely nobody saw that. Literally nobody saw that. There was not a single person who saw that. Okay, wait, I have to break some of those torches, like the 2 torches I kept on top, like right over here. I need them. I can't just waste on my coal on the first day, or like second episode. So I might start a new YouTube channel. I might delete this YouTube channel and start a new YouTube channel maybe at some point. I might start my new YouTube channel, and then I might start my new survival series. But do I really think I have to do that? Yes, because this Minecraft what do you call it? I forgot the name. This YouTube channel is lacking a lot of things that I could. This YouTube channel lacking a lot of things I could do with my new YouTube channel. I could do it now, but there's no use. I have only 30 subscribers. Please subscribe, but I have only 30 subscribers, so that's not good. And I want more subscribers. So how I usually start my videos is some random dubstep intro, which is not even good. And then so nowadays I'm not doing the intro. I'm barely even doing any editing. So yeah, now I'm starting. So last episode, there was my editing app got disabled, so there was no editing. So my editing app got disabled, but I found a new app which is great. and so I'm gonna edit in that. All my raw beef is over. Now I got actual coal I got actual coal. I'm gonna use that to smelt my pork chop. And then later on my iron, I'm going to make a random normal furnace. Let's just quickly craft a furnace without looking, because it's quite easy to craft a furnace. Oh wait, cool. We're gonna craft two just because we can. Okay, nice. Now I think I'll end the series here. It's quite a short video. I'll end the series here. If you guys want more, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and see you all next time. Till then, peace.